comment section. Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section. Okay, if you can hear me, kindly drop a message in the comment section. If you can hear me, kindly drop a message in the comment section. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Okay, I would like to know where you're watching from before we proceed into the conversation of today. Where are you watching from? Okay. Let me know in the comment section where you joining us from. You know, from Kenya, from Ghana, Pakistan, India, Cameroon. Let's know in the comment section. Okay. So while I wait for you to introduce yourself, today we're taking a live trading session, and we will be analyzing the Euro USD market and looking out for opportunities to trade in the current market. So we're starting from the monthly time frame. So it's a question of what is going on on the monthly time frame. What is going on? So we can see that on the monthly time frame we are having a downward slope. Okay, good, downward slope. All right. Okay, so currently now, let's also map out levels of support and resistance. Mapping out levels of support and resistance from here. Mapping out levels of support and resistance here. Okay, so we can see here, this was last. Let's zoom in closer to this piece. Now we can see that the market is currently on a downward slope. All right, and we have been able to map out our levels of support and resistance. So this level is a level of support, this level is a level of resistance, and here we can see what price is doing here after the month of February ended in a bearish market, right? Bearish candlestick ended the month of February. Can you see that? So that's giving some momentum. Okay, that's giving some momentum around the market. Okay, So here we can see now that after price broke downward, price went up again, okay, broke out of the resistance level. Then now we can see a bearish candle appeared, which was formed in the month of February. So which means the month of February was a bearish market for the Euro USD. And currently now we can see what March is building up. So March seems to be marching in the same direction with February. Okay. Now, how do you take position? How do you position ourselves? So we go to week 1. There is week 1. Okay, here is week 1. Alright, so if you look closely well, you will discover that week 1 here, you can see the bearish engulfing. Okay, this is not a bearish engulfing candle, but in our previous chart, which is on the monthly chart, we can see how it reversed the market. That's on these 3 months on the monthly chart. Good. We can see that even while the market went bullish here, it has in January, then February closed below the closing price of February. Okay, of January. February closed far below the closing price of January. All right. So now let's look in the 1 week, the time frame we are looking at. We can see here now the downward momentum being built up. All right. Now, what would be our trigger here for a sell is the fact that, here we already map out this level as a critical level of support and resistance. All right. So it is a support here. It's also a support here. If it breaks out and tries to break in back, it becomes a resistance level. Okay. So now, what are we looking at here? What should play out here to confirm this market has been a bearish market? Okay, or it having a bearish momentum. So we will be expecting so here, okay, we will be expecting price to break out of this resistance, of this support level. Okay, if price breaks out of this support level and closes, okay, then what happens? You are ready to short. So if, let's say, price breaks out of here now, okay, let's say price breaks out of here and closes, then you can then continue to, you can sell off. All right, you can sell off here. Do you get? You can sell off here. Okay, so when you sell off here now, if you are an intraday trader, here the next support level can be your exit price. All right, the next support level, which is at 0.9612, can be your exit price. Okay, yeah. So let's look at what we have in the daily time frame. Good. Look at what we have in the daily time frame. Interestingly, what I want you to see on this daily time frame is something interesting. All right, you might not have been seeing it before now. Okay. And here is it. So you can look how price is leaning against this support level, right? Look how price is leaning against. So price went up, came down here. This is support level. Price is going up, price is coming down here again. All right. So it's creating a higher possibility of a breakout. Okay. It's creating a higher possibility of a breakout. That is a breakout to the downward path. Okay, so price is looking at breaking out of this place. You know, on the weekly time frame, I said if price breaks down and closes, so if price breaks down now and closes here, say price closed here, okay, or price closed here, you know, you can still short the market. Okay, but most importantly, you are to use risk management tools like stop loss. Your stop loss should be very, very important. Your stop loss should be very, very, very important. Like, I'm laying the emphasis on the very, okay, so that we know. All right, yeah. So what we are watching out for here now, is for price to break out downward, right? If it breaks out downward and closes, okay, we can then short, because you can see how price is rallying and leaning towards that support level. A consistent leaning on the support level will create a breakout in downward. Okay, a consistent leaning on the support level will create a breakout downward. All right, so let's look at the 4 hours time frame. Good. If you look at the 4 hours time frame now, it's creating some very much clearer picture. Can you see that? It's creating a very, very clear picture. Now, what's this picture about? Here is it. Price went up here. Price came down. Okay. And price has actually been fluctuating, moving in wave-like format. All right, towards the downward path. Okay. So, what are we expecting price to do here? In the previous place, we are saying that okay, we are waiting for price to break out. Okay, maybe when price falls below this level or falls into this place and closes below other price level, you know, maybe for, let's say, the daily candle now for the past 5 days, 10 days, right? That's a very big signal. Okay, a very big signal. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So we are still on the same thing. So what are we expecting from this, right? Price comes to this level, breaks into this level and closes below it. Only when price breaks into this level and closes below it can we say is a good time to short this market. Okay? So when price breaks out of the downward path and closes, then it has created a valid point of shorting the market. All right, that's created a valid point of shorting the market. Okay. And that's it. If you have any question, please do us to ask on the comment section. If you have any question, do well to ask on the comment section. I'm waiting for your questions, guys. I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your questions, guys. I'm waiting for your questions. If you have any question, do well to drop it on the comment section. Drop it on the comment section. Drop it on the comment section. Okay? Awesome. Let's look at the Euro. So let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay, so here it is. We map out our levels of support and resistance to understand and to know where the current market structure, to know the current market structure. Okay. Good. So this is a multi-time frame now, and we're trying to carry out some analysis on the USD JPY, that's the dollar versus the Japanese yen. Okay, and yeah, so here we are able to know what is the current market structure. It's obvious that the market has been consolidating, okay, in a particular level for a long time, and still consolidating, but like giving an uptrend behavior. All right, so here we're able to also map out levels of support and resistance. Okay, we map out levels of support and levels of resistance. Okay, I see questions coming in. Thank you for educating us. Will there be Okay, someone is asking if there will be reward after the webinar. Someone says, what is the best tool for trading as a beginner? All right, so the best tool for trading as a beginner is patience. That's the best tool for trading as a beginner. Patience. All right, so as you advance in your trading journey, okay, you grow in patience. All right, patience teach you patience teach you to wait for your order to be executed without you acting under emotions to executing a particular trade. Okay, you need to, having that powerful tool in your hands, patience, as the best tool, it prevents you from taking the wrong decision. All right, prevents from taking the wrong decision. Okay, so now we are able to map out levels of support and resistance. Then we are able to identify that the market is in an is consolidating. So here it is consolidated for a while. So here you can see the market consolidating. Okay, so the market has been consolidating here, and finally we had a breakout of that consolidation in in March 2022. Okay, and as we speak, we are currently in March 2023, and we can see few changes have actually happened, within this short while. Okay, so here we can see that price went up and later there was a massive drawdown. Okay, some other factors might have influenced this sharp drawdown in price. Okay, so here now we've mapped out resistance, which is support. What is it called? Under resistance, to help newbies understand the market structure, how to identify it, how it works. Okay, how it works. Good. Now let's go to the weekly session. Okay, so obviously you can see that the bullish momentum is building up. Okay, the bullish momentum is building up. All right, now, and this bullish momentum building up is going to add more value, inflow of cash into the ecosystem. Okay, so when you look at this now, let me put this in a box. So here now we are expecting price before you can confirm this. Okay, so if you want to swing this trade, all right, it might be too risky because price has moved significantly. However, you can definitely pick this trade with tight risk management. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh, interesting. 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 So here we see that Euro USD is currently building momentum. Okay. So USD JPY, we will now see that price is trying to reverse back. Price is trying to reverse back from here. Okay. Because price consistently moved down, and when it got here, you can see how it consolidated a bit and then started moving up. Okay. So here now you have to be meticulous, because you want to be sure that you are taking the best decision. All right. So you do your so here now, what are you looking at here? For me, here is what I'm looking at. Okay. So here we're waiting for price to break out. All right. Only when price breaks out, only when cup breaks out, that's when you can buy. All right. But if cup does not break out, you should not have any business with buying. Okay. So let's look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours. Okay. You're doing this together. Okay. So here is the point where we are expecting price to pop out. Good. So now for this place now, we will be looking to sell above this level. So here now we wait for price to break out of this triangle. If price breaks out of this triangle, then we are good to go on buying. Okay. But if price does not go, then we might not go on buying. We might not buy if price does not break out. Okay. If price does not break out, all right, price needs to break out. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. So we are only buying here when we have a breakout. Okay, so let's check out what the 1 hour time frame is talking about. Okay, so as you can see that it's in some interesting views. You can see. Okay, so here now, like I said, we are waiting for price to shoot out and close above, and then it's a buy. All right, good. So what other currency should we work on? Let me know in the comment section. What other currencies do you work on? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Anybody? Any question, any currency pair you want us to look into? If you have questions, drop them. If you have currency pairs you want us to look into, drop them. Okay, I can see. Okay. I can see Ninga has been very active. So we'll go with his own. USD GBP. Okay, that's GBP USD. GB. Which currency is okay? GBP USD. Okay, good. So we go with GBP USD. So here we go. So starting with 1 month. Oh, sorry. I don't. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing a question coming in for USD JPY, if I'm right. So let me just have a quick look at what the person is talking about. USD JPY. Yeah. You are saying if we are expecting a retest, where? Not sure we are expecting a retest anytime soon. You get, but So what I'm sure of is if price breaks out from here, it will go up. Then it will face resistance. If it's able to break out, fine. If it's not able to break out, it might slow down a bit, and it might just come down, rally a bit, and break out. So let me just give some kind of illustration here. So price breaks out, okay, and okay, so price breaks out of here now, goes up, okay, stays here because of resistance level. It was just rallying and rallying and rallying, and later it finally broke out. Okay, so when price begins to lean against a particular level, either support or level or resistance level, just have it at the back of your mind that there will be most likely a breakout occurring at that spot. There will be most likely a breakout occurring. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so we'll go back to GBP USD. Okay. So observe how price has been navigating here. So yeah. Okay, so here now we can see that, let's look at what the monthly time frame is saying. We can see that on the monthly time frame, market is generally downward slopey. Okay, so there's generally a downtrend, and we can see that there is a very key level of support. So let's put it on a line chart so that we can see it clearly. So we can see that there is a support level, okay, at this end. All right, there's a support level at that end. Let's take it back to the line chart. I want to use this to map out the core levels. So you can see these key levels that you need to watch out for, now and in the future. Okay, so these are key levels. But now, because this is where price is, the levels we'll be looking at is this. All right, this is the level we'll be monitoring. This is the level we are interested in. All right, yes, these levels we are interested in. Okay, these are the levels we are interested in. Good. These are the levels we are interested in. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Okay. So now, yes, resistance level. We have been able to map out our levels of support and our levels of resistance. All right. So now let's go down to the weekly time frame. So we can see that the weekly time frame. Okay, let's go back to the candlestick so we don't get used to. Okay, so now you can see that on the weekly time frame now, we are more concerned with this chart. So look at it. Price has gotten to that resistance level. Price is at that resistance level now. What do you think is happening? Because if you go back to our monthly time frame, All right, you discover that I map out this level as a key level, right? So now, which means when price gets to this level is for us to watch out. You can see that price got here, it was prevented from breaking down further. So this level is a support level. Now price finally broke out from here, and now price is going back to that same level. Remember that level right now is now a resistance level. A support level has now been turned into resistance. Okay, so now that a support level has been turned into resistance, it will be difficult for price to break out of this resistance level. Okay, given that it's now a significant level to watch out for. So now you will now see that it is this same level now that you can see. You can look at it here now, that you can see that price is actually finding it difficult to break out further. And what is price doing now? Price is turning back. And when you zoom in closely to see the candlesticks, the languages and the communication and the story that the candlesticks are telling, you definitely know that it's a downward trend. Now you look at this candlestick here, a doji. This doji is pointing towards a reverse in trend. It's a reverse pattern. Okay? Now, it's a reverse pattern. Now followed by a very fully bodied bearish candle with a little wick to the top. And then when you look at other candles that follow after, you see that they have wicks to the top. This shows sell pressure. Okay, this shows that sell pressures are coming in. All right, and this sell pressure is pushing down price. Is pushing down price. The sell pressure is pushing down price. Okay, it's pushing down price. See, and this is a level you need to watch. So with this now, you can see that, you know, it is obvious to the blind that this market, there's a higher probability of what? A continuous fall in price. Okay, the higher probability, you can see it, of a continuous fall in price. Either price falling to this level. Sorry, let me just delete this. Either price coming to fall to this level. Okay, coming to fall to this level, yeah, or coming to fall to let me duplicate, yep, or coming to fall to this level. Okay, yes, price coming to fall to this level. So these are the levels we are watching, because definitely this is a sell. This is a good time to sell. So let's go to the daily time frame to see, you know, clearly what is happening, you know, so that the lower time frame tells us a more clearer story. All right, or certain things we need to wait for. Now observe clearly that the prices that are coming down here have been unable to break out of this level. Do you observe that? Let me. Do you observe that prices have been unable to break out of this level? Okay, let me see if I can change the color. Okay, good. Is this okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay. Now you discover that price has been finding it difficult to break out of this level. All right. Now, but then you see that price is leaning towards that level. All right. That is showing that there is a potential breakout downward that is coming forth. A potential breakout to the downward side coming forth. All right. Another, you see price leaning consistently on this level. Okay, on this level. All right, good. Yes. So what are we going to do? Looking at it from the daily time frame standpoint, okay, making it obvious that price has not broken out of this range, okay, of this rectangle. Price is expected to break out. So when price breaks out, okay, of this range, what happens? When price breaks out of this range, what happens? We sell. All right. So a breakout from this box will determine your sell, your sell trigger, if you are going to sell or if you are not going to sell. Okay. But if price did not break out of this level, if it did not break out and close outside this box, okay, and reverses above, all right, and breaks out upward there, then it is a buy. All right, it is a buy. When price, listen to me clearly, when price did not break out, if price did not break out of this level and comes up here and breaks out of this level, all right, it is a buy. Okay. But if price breaks out of this level, it is a sell, at least either to this level or to this level. Okay, so this is very important. So there are metrics you are looking at. You are expecting these metrics to play out before making your decision, and those are the breakout metrics. All right, metrics of if price breaks out of this box above, then it's a bullish momentum. If price breaks down below and closes below, it's not just enough for price to break out and you jump into the trade. No, the price has to break out and close. So it depends on you. If you are using the 4 hours as your entry level, your entry strategy, then you want to look, there are levels you are looking at already on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so good. Look at this closely now. All right, look at this closely. Okay, if price breaks out of this level like this and closes, the next 4 hours candle breaks out and closes outside this candle, then you want to short the market. If it goes the opposite and breaks out of this place and closes, then you want to what? You want to long the market. All right, so this is the scenarios that you want to look at in order to take a more safer position, so that you can carry out a higher probability trading strategy. I hope you have been able to have a great knowledge of what trading is, and also get to learn something new. And if you know you've learned something new, let me know in the comment section. If you've learned something new, let me know in the comment section. If you've learned something new, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you've learned something new, let me know in the comment section. So you can see what is on the screen. It says double your deposit using the promo code. So trading with OctaFX, this is an opportunity that we brought to you, and this opportunity is now up to you. It's more like saying the ball is in your court, so you have to shoot it the appropriate way to the right direction. Here is a promo code up for you to use and get to double your deposit. All right, Tunmise 100. Tunmise spelled TUNMISE, then 100 without a space at the back of it or in front of it. All right, this would help you get double of your deposit. Take action right now. Take action right now. Don't be told. In our next class, I want everyone to come with a go on their social media, take a screenshot of this session and share with their friends. Also, from what you've learned here, go and carry out analysis on your own, share with your friends, and tag OctaFX, knowledge gotten from OctaFX, and put in our YouTube link there. Let others also come and learn. All right, but this opportunity, don't let it pass you by. Double your deposit using promo code Tunmise100. Apply using the promo code. You can also as well scan the scanner, the code, the barcode on the screen. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do that. Okay, 2 minutes to double your deposit. All right, use the promo code. The promo code is Tunmise100. Write it down, Tunmise100. And if you also want to scan, you can also scan. This promo code is valid until 31st May 2023. It's important for you to take advantage of this and trade with OctaFX, because OctaFX has brought this great value to you. OctaFX has brought this great education to you. Take advantage of it. Use the promo code and double your deposit. Get 2x of your deposit and be able to take bigger positions while trading. All right, this is an opportunity for you. Jump on it. Someone said, can the promo code still be used if you've used it last year? This is a new promo code for this year. That is 2023. All right, so this promo code is a new promo code. Use it to get a fresh deposit, to double your deposit on your OctaFX account. Take advantage of this. All right, if you have any issues with your deposit or whatsoever, you can reach out to our customer care support on our website, and we'll do very well to attend to you. Thank you very much for joining this session. Don't forget, take advantage of this opportunity, double your deposit. For those who joined us late, you are not late at all. Go back to the video and watch it over again. I would always be here every Thursday, same time, same channel, same place. All right. Lastly, I will enjoin you to click on the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell, and be the first to get to know about our next webinar. All right. Thank you very much for joining this session. Bye.